So up here in the Northeast, we use salt in the wintertime to clear the ice and snow. And on the porch, what happens is that concrete will pit after a while. What I'm going to do is repair that now, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'm using Quikrete vinyl concrete patcher. What I've done is I've taken the 10-pound bag and just dumped it into a 5-gallon bucket, and then I used the little bucket that it comes with, just filled that up with water. It says on the bucket that it's supposed to be 10 ounces of water to 5 pounds of this patcher, and this is 10 pounds, but I think it's going to need a little more than that. So we're going to pour this water in here, and then we'll see how it goes. Ready. Yeah, so that looks like a pretty good consistency right there. Maybe about like a pancake batter. I didn't measure it exactly, but I'm sure it was a little bit more than that. I'd actually say probably about twice as much as they recommended to get that mix. So let's move over and start. Process is pretty simple. You just force the mix into the divots and then skim over the top.
Right the circle, left the circle, right the circle.
Next, I took a broom and created the same texture that was already on the porch.